To activate your DoorDash Red Card, start by opening the DoorDash app on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and create an account if you have not already done so. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account section, usually represented by a profile picture or your initials, and click on it. Scroll down to the Red Card section and select Activate Red Card. You will be prompted to enter the card information, which can be found on the back of the card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Enter the information carefully and make sure it is accurate. After entering the card information, you will be asked to set up a PIN for your Red Card. Choose a unique and secure PIN that you will remember. This PIN will be used for all transactions made with your Red Card. Once the activation process is complete, your Red Card is ready to use. You can use it to pay for all your DoorDash orders, and you will earn rewards and discounts on all your purchases. To use your Red Card, simply select it as your payment method when checking out. You can also add your Red Card to your account settings so it is saved for future use. As a best practice, make sure to keep your Red Card information secure and do not share it with anyone. Also, be sure to review your account activity regularly to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily activate and start using your DoorDash Red Card. If you have any issues during the activation process, you can contact DoorDash customer support for assistance.